First, navigate to your TV settings menu. Locate the HDMI CEC option within the settings. Note that HDMI CEC may have different names depending on the TV brand. Examples include AnyNet Plus, Samsung, or Bravia Sync, Sony. Ensure that HDMI CEC is enabled to allow communication between connected devices. Access the settings menu on your Apple TV. Navigate to remotes and devices within the settings. Locate and select the Control TVs and Receivers option. Enabling this setting allows the Apple TV remote to control your TV's power. First, enable the necessary settings on your Apple TV to allow remote control functionality. Restart the Apple TV via the System menu to apply the new settings. Test the remote by pressing the power button after the restart. Confirm successful configuration by verifying that the TV turns on or off in response to the remote's command.